what? You are awesome. Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Random Thoughts. Now in this episode I would like to share my story with you guys because you are freaking awesome. Now I don't actually have a particular story or something like that. I consider my life an inspiring story itself. The most recent example is this. Like a month ago or something like that, I looked at my channel and decided to start making videos again, like to be regular on YouTube. And most of you who've been with me since day one know that I wasn't regular on YouTube. Sometimes I had a 3 months break or something like that. But I decided to change it because I really love making videos on YouTube. That's why I made this channel. And I started posting videos 3 times a week. And within 15 days I received more than 4,000 views. Which was really awesome. I know that number isn't really big, but that channel was dead almost. It received like 10 views a day. It was nothing, and no one watched that channel because I didn't upload any videos. But I changed that and I applied for a partnership with Social Blade and I got accepted. And the morning I found out that I was accepted, that was like the feeling was amazing. Like that is one of the most strongest proofs that you should never ever give up on anything. Like if you are dedicated to something and you want something really bad, you will get there. You will get in your goal. You will achieve your goal. That's the most awesome feeling ever when you when you achieve your goal. That's something awesome, and we all can feel that feeling. That's not hard really, because we are all awesome. You should never give up on yourself, really. Like we are all awesome, really, seriously. You, me, everyone. You are awesome. Yes, you are awesome. You're very awesome. People just don't know how to express their awesomeness, but somewhere they're awesome. You should never give up on yourself. Never. I have many examples in which I was really dedicated to something and I achieved those goals, and just because I didn't give up. So don't give up on yourselves. Be awesome. That's the key thing to everything. I sometimes, I know that sounds like a little bit stupid, but it makes me feel good when I say to myself, man, you're awesome, because we all are. You just have to enjoy your awesomeness and never give up on anything, because for every problem there is a solution. Maybe not a direct one, maybe not the one that you wish to choose, but for every problem there is a solution. So people, believe me, we are all awesome. Yes, even if you think you are totally mediocre, you are not. You have something in yourself. I can see that everyone has that. I mean, and maybe now you are asking yourself, why should I be awesome? My life is totally ruined. No, it's not. There is some reasons for you to be happy and to be awesome. Some small things that you think don't matter, they do. Everything matters. Everything that can make you happy will make you happy if you want. I mean, if you want, life can be really something terrible if you look that way, but why should you when life is something awesome? Life is a jackpot. Like, you won. Why don't you use that? We are all awesome. And just keep on being awesome, keep on the good work, and never give up on anything, including yourself. We are all awesome. So that's just the story that I want to share with you, because I really enjoy when I feel awesome and when I'm happy. And that's the feeling that all of you should have all the time, 24/7. That's the most awesome thing ever, because we are awesome. I know I said awesome like 1,000 times in this video, but that's the point. That's the point of all this. Be awesome and be happy. That's the key for everything, believe me. Sounds stupid, but it is. Believe me. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. You guys are awesome for watching this video, by the way. And be sure to subscribe so don't miss any of my new videos. My Kentucky DruggedChicken episode is coming out this Saturday, and my creative video is coming out this Sundays, as always. And so yeah, thanks for watching this video. See you in the next episode. Bye. You are awesome.